In our modern society, we've all become addicted to numbers. Even those that say they hate math. What's their first move every morning? They grab their phone, check the time and temperature. Numbers. Numbers tell us how fast to move, how warm to dress. They help us decide where to invest our money. Numbers can motivate us to act. And that's just when the numbers are given to us. If you have the power to organize large pools of data, you have the ability to discover trends, prove yourself right, or maybe prove others wrong. This is the power of statistics. Whether you're a manager or a designer, whether you're in business, science, sports, or education, whether you're trying to save time, money, or any other valuable resource, understanding statistics is vital if you want to be more effective and efficient. Hi there. My name is Eddie Davila. I'm a huge sports fan. I love to follow the entertainment industry, and I'm passionate about science and health. And I can tell you that in every important facet of my life, having a better understanding of statistics allows me to improve my performance and often to find a greater level of satisfaction whether I'm working or playing. This course, Statistics Fundamentals, that I'm hoping will empower you to better understand the numbers you will encounter in your life. In this course, we'll discuss basic terms like mean, median, and standard deviation. We'll look at many different forms of probability. We'll explore the power of the bell-shaped normal distribution curve. We'll discuss issues like false positives and expected monetary value. And I'll tell you, even if you know what all these things are, I think you'll walk away with a new perspective. Actually, I'm hoping you'll never look at these basic concepts the same way again. You won't just understand what these numbers are and how they're calculated, you'll know their inherent weaknesses too.